If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Mark X recovery team, status check.
Systems nominal. Ready for deployment.
Copy that. Moving to the rail.
Confirmed contact with the Mark X. Structural integrity looks compromised on the front quarter. Copy that. Scanning now. Significant corrosion readings.
All right, bring it down slow. Easy now. Hold the tension on that line. Almost there. Set her down gently. All right, hold the tension. Coming down slow now. Yeah. Watch the ramps. Got the chocks ready.
Easy now, keep it centered. Hold the tension on the left ramp. Almost there, watch the tires.
Watch the door frame. Yeah. Clear. Bring it up and out. Look at the state of this rear subframe. The corrosion has compromised the mounting points. Yep.
Definitely needs replacement. The salt exposure is severe here.
Pressure released. It's coming down slowly. Confirmed. It looks stable on the cradle.
We're seeing heavy oxidation here on the crankshaft. The marine contamination has caused significant wear, consistent with prolonged underwater exposure.
Inside the AUTO RECRAFTED workshop, this V6 block undergoes a high-pressure degreasing cycle, stripping away years of corrosive sludge and marine sediment.
Bringing it down slowly. Keep an eye on the alignment tool. Looks good. It's almost seated. Steady pressure. Bring it down slowly. Watch the mounts on your side. Holding steady. Looks aligned. Lowering now.
The technician carefully wet sands the cured gray primer.
That looks factory fresh.
Precision alignment confirmed. Ready for the next stage.
Okay, applying final torque now? Yeah. Confirmed. Looks factory spec.